Quick, quick. Oh, look at that. It's such a terrific photo. Look at that.
That's all right, I'm going.
Jeez. Whoa.
You don't come across it.
Look at that.
It's all on video, Endo. Yep.
I can't believe it.
Stop the boat, stop the boat, stop the boat.
Stop the boat in the back.
He wants to go behind us.
No, no, you scratch.
Do I pick him up? I don't think so.
Good mascot.
Julie, can't see.
I'm not thinking this is good for you.
Put him in the
Julie, quick, the video's on.
Well, we'll take him over and we'll drop him out over there.
Do you reckon?
Oh, he's gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous man.
Family's here and he's going to swim back or something.
Alright, put him back here.
I reckon.
Do we
Get a photo?
What's he doing?
do we put him back in the creek?
Get the photo?
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah, but how do I?
No, wait till he gets over the other side.
I don't know about the orange.
We take a vote, we start going.
Take him over.
He's coming towards me. He's getting on the seat, bless him.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, cool.
Hey, that's a good photo from this side, Julie. Julie.
I've got the video on.
Oh, yeah.
Here, P, you're gonna have to take it.
Yeah, what's wrong, Jude?
Oh,
Give it to Tony, Julie.
he's so cute.
Most amazing experience. I mean, look at...
Oh, did you want a paddle? Here, you can. Here, mate, you can have my paddle if you like.
Don't rock the boat.
Oh, no.